How to install Google Meet on iPhone device. First of all, go to the App Store. Tap on the Search button. On the search, write Google Meet. After you found the app, tap on Get. You will need to allow the installation if it is the first time you install this app on your account. This may differ on every device, so the best advice is to follow the on-screen instruction. You have installed Google Meet on your iPhone device. When the app is finished installing, tap on Open. Tap on Continue. Here, tap OK for Meet to access the microphone. This is required for you to create and join the meetings. Tap OK for the Meet to access the camera. Here, just enable the account you want to use on your device. You can also add another account or create one account. After you enable the account, tap on Done. You can now join a meeting or create a new meeting on your iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.